What's up, guys? It's April 9th, 2024. We finally had some volatility expansion, so that's nice. Tight range yesterday, like 20 points. Broke out, that move was met, and then we retraced. So I think it was a pretty good day. We have a gap up, but we're going to talk about the first 6 bars of the day, leg one, leg two moves, and the market cycle. Why the heck? Okay, so we got a gap up, which should be green. Gap up, no continuation of bar one. Bar two looks like some sort of pullback, or it could be the market's going sideways above yesterday's on yesterday's high. Bullish try and break out above yesterday's high and fail with bar three. Bar three looks like a solid bar, rejection at the highs, and gets followed through bar four. Market goes sideways for about 15, 20 minutes. What is that? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So about 30 minutes, 35 minutes. Makes a bear flag under the EMA and then gets strong selling right into yesterday, a measured move of yesterday's low. So pretty much 2R of yesterday's range. Bars 13 is big, 12 is great follow. Oh, wait, whoa. Bar 12 is big, 13 is follow through, 14 is great, and 15 is great, but it has more wicks. 16 and 17, no follow through, kind of start to trap bears maybe going short. Bears that went short, one tick below 17, got trapped on 18. They either hit out or trying short to get out 50%, and they also get trapped again. They hit out, and the market goes sideways, up to sideways for a couple hours. So we have I counted this as a wedge top, leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three. I went short here. I was trading sim today. I'm taking it really easy this month, and then I'm gonna start hitting it back up next month. I'm definitely stoked to get back in. Or honestly, maybe I'll trade next week. We'll see what happens. If I can pull together some green days in sim, I'll start trading again. Wedge top, got short here, got scalped out, and the market reverses and goes for 2 legs above the EMA. You could say the market cycle is resetting with a breakout, leg one, pullback leg two, pullback leg three. Breakout, first reversal starts the channel phase. Channel phase it's the channel phase, and then we go range bound. So here's the range bound, and the market goes sideways for a few hours. We almost test yesterday's low again, which was the previous measured move. However, bulls keep the gap open, and they get a leg one, leg two late in the day. So where are we with the leg one, leg two moves? This is more of a breakout. Oof, what? Okay. More of a breakout. Measured moves met here with bar 13. I'm just going to leave that there for now. Or we can go here. That's met. Let's see if we can get a measured move of bar 12. Well, we can. That's met. Another leg. There's no pullback, so that's why I'm doing breakouts. Measured move is met. You can see how they're kind of shrinking. All three of these bars had them. You can go for a break, like just 1-to-1. And now we start to get pullbacks. I got trapped around here, thinking we get leg two, leg one. Oh, leg one. What? Leg one, pullback leg two, pullback leg three. That's the wedge top I was talking about from earlier. Wedge top breaks out and goes for a few legs higher. Leg one, pullback leg two, pullback below bar 29, and that's met with bar 39. The low of bar 27, the high of bar 28, pull back to the low of bar 29, and that's met with bar 37. Then the bears start to channel down. We're range bound. There's lots of overlap, so you could fade bear bars and sell bull bars and make money. Buy this, scalp out, short that, scalp out. Lots of trades. I'm counting a leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three. I was also counting this leg one, pull back leg two. I scalped bar 54 from a leg one, leg two perspective. Here's another leg one, leg two. So leg one, pull back leg two. This is also 3 pushes up right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So wedge top that also leads to a fractal leg one, pull back leg two. Bar 65 is the pullback bar that creates the leg two move, and that becomes a second leg trap within a range. So that's a second leg trap. Avoid those. And we could buy 68. 69, bad follow through for 68. 70, bulls are trying to get strong bars. 71, bulls get a very strong bar completely above the EMA. Follow through. And 72 is a break. Bulls are trying to break out above the higher time frame EMA. Yesterday's high. Wow. Wait, what the heck? Oh, never mind. I thought I thought the Bears made one R, then the Bulls reversed, reversed, and reversed. I was like, that's crazy because I didn't really trade this. I went short here one time and then put my stop at break even and got stopped out. But there is a leg one, leg two move right here. Why do I keep doing that today? Boom, that's met. The low of bar 69 to the high of bar 72. Pull back to 75, and that's met with bar 79. Bar 80 closed at yesterday's high. That's cool. Really good day. Where are we in the market cycle? There's multiple ways to look at it. Here we can say the market cycle is resetting from a breakout perspective. So breakout, first pullback, channel, range, range. Or we can look at it from a more fractal perspective. Breakout, range, breakout, channel, and then we start to range. I just said the same thing twice. Breakout, first pullback, channel, range. Yeah, I've said the same thing 3 times. So from the fractal perspective, here's a reversal as a breakout. So the market cycle could be shedding here. It gets followed through into the EMA. We break out both the EMA and get 3 fractal legs here, leg 1, opposite bar, leg 2, opposite bar, leg 3. This creates a wedge top into yesterday's low. That could be seen as resistance, and bears get leg 1, pullback leg 2. The market cycle is resetting from a range bound perspective. When the market's range bound, we can sit out or we can scalp, buy low, high. Market cycle resets with this breakout. First pullback equals channel phase. So the market's in the channel phase or range phase. If the market starts to go range bound, bar 74 low will be the first target for the bears because that's the failed reversal. I love that. That was a thing. I think that was in chapter 7. I don't know why it just stuck with me. Of the blue book. You can see I deleted all these lines. I tried to make it look nice, and it was getting messier and messier and messier. So I just went back to the clean chart. We all know in our heads that we're looking at failed previously failed reversals for the bears, which is bull flags. If we start to sell, if not, we range bound. Maybe we test here. Maybe we test here. Maybe we just go sideways. We're on the EMA now. That sucks because from the idea that we've been trending for a long time, maybe we're going to go sideways for a long time now. I hope not. I hope we just keep going up forever and can actually make some money. 45-minute chart. This is starting to act as resistance. That's the trend line we've been holding for a very, very long time. Bounced off, broke, retested, and now we're going for a leg 1, leg 2 move. Why have I never measured leg 1, leg 2 moves on the 45-minute chart? Leg 1, pullback, leg 2. That was met, and the market starts to reverse. It's not good to look for counter trend trades until the market hits PTs, and then that's when it's a 45-minute chart, so that's a wedge top right there. It's a parabolic wedge top. The market went sideways here. This is a bear flag. Broke out and reversed. Bear flag 1, bear flag 2, bear flag 3. Failed and reversed. Double higher low. Double bottom, higher low. Double top. What else? Double top, lower high. Channel. Oh, that's all real. That's really happening. I don't know which one's gonna play out. Maybe we have a bullish breakout. Maybe we have a bearish breakout. Maybe we just keep channeling. Maybe we go sideways. Maybe the markets go flat for the rest of our lives. I'm just joking. Can you imagine? I don't even think that's possible, right? That means every single person would have to stop. Every single company would have to stop spending money. Anyways, hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys made some money today. We finally got that range. These were nice. I froze up and missed this whole thing, so that sucks. But I made some money here. So hope you guys are doing good. Hit the follow button. I drop these every day at 3 p.m. I appreciate all the support in the comments and you guys are watching the videos. That's crazy. The views are going up. It's really fun talking to you guys. Hit me up with some trades what you guys are taking. You can chop it up in the comments, or you can message my Discord and price action breakdowns, because I don't want to make a Discord against BTC. If you guys are new and you like what they're doing, I know a lot of you guys are already in the BTC room, but if you're new and trying to figure out what I'm talking about, check out Al Brooks. I study Al Brooks pretty hard. All my videos are based off Al Brooks. Have a good one, guys. Thank you for your support. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.